Hi friends, this is Kula. I'm very thankful for your overwhelming response and all of your messages, motivations, inputs to help me shape up this channel. Special thanks to Jyotish Jaiswal, who has been responding back on YouTube chat comments. In fact, based on his request, I'm making this next video so that I can show how Astor's engine performance is. So I'm going to take up two major projects. One is based on Astor CVT's power delivery, which is what I'm starting off with right now. This will be done in two parts, one within city and also mall ramp up, and then I will also take the car on a hill drive as part two within the CVT power delivery project. And then I'll take up the second project where I want to show how MG Astor helps us in the city and the city day and night performance. So stay tuned. Please keep posting your inputs, comments, feedbacks to help me shape up this channel. Now, see, as I said, this is going to be part one of the CVT power delivery. However, I'd want to start off saying that before before I walk you through or take you through the engine performance video, I did not feel any power lag so far within CVT. Yes, there could be some slight delay, but definitely the engine is not underpowered. There is also the sports mode that you could always use, but I've hardly used it. So maybe I will use that in the hill drive as part of part two. In this part one, we will cover a short drive that is close to my home, where there is a slight inclination of the road and there's a lot of humps, right? So we will have to do a start, stop, and climb kind of a scenario, which easily is one of a good test for understanding the power of the engine. There is also this mall ramp. You all know how mall ramps are, and I would start off from zero and then show you how the CVT performance is. So stay tuned for the rest of the videos that are going to come up, and we'll start off with this video. And this stretch is slightly inclined, a small road, narrow road. You can see that there is the road that is inclining, but more importantly there are a lot of humps, and so pretty much have to stop, start, go like this. And you can see how the power transmission is. I don't see any lack of pull capabilities, but definitely there is a fraction of a second lag as soon as I finish the hump and then press. I have pressed it and now it is responding back, right? So there is that CVT thing that happens where you have to stop and go. It will give you a slight lag, but then as I indicated, there is no power lag, right? There is no performance lag. There is no incapability. There is no incapability of the engine to pull. The engine is fully capable to pull. However, because it is CVT, there is like a fraction of a second which is hardly noticeable. Is on, and there's a ramp here. I'm going to go up the ramp to show you how the car is performing in the ramp. So the car is pulling up effortlessly. There we go. So as you would have seen, the engine performs pretty good even in a start, stop, hump, climb, incline, climb mode, where I had shown you that there is maybe like a fraction of a second, but like I said, it's just getting used to it. The second part that you saw in the same video is a mall exit ramp. I had my AC turned on and I was pressing my accelerator slightly and I was able to easily climb. So I do not see any power lag or any issues in the city mode of driving. Thank you, friends. I hope this video was useful for you. Until we see you next time, please share your inputs, feedback, and help me give me shape my channel and give inputs on what more you would like to see in MG Astor or any other topics. Until then, this is Kula.